right away I know what the problem is. The fan isn't cooling, it's quiet, and every time I come from a longer trip, the fan is cooling the engine down a few minutes, and it's quiet, completely quiet. Corrado, why? It's almost winter. It's almost winter time. Why are you not cooling? You're on here. Oh, it's not so bad. Cool on these. Oh. What? Where? Why are you wet? You're coming out of here, but what the hell is this? What the hell? Bed. But the engine is hot anyway, so let's look at it tomorrow. There's nothing I can do today. Hello, it's morning and I'm at the garage and looking what forecoats does the Corrado give. Right now it's okay, 102, 205, this is usual. Over that is bad. The fan is working right now, it's cooling when the car is working. I'm just gonna look at the forecoats and then I'm gonna shut the okay, idle speed again, still road speed sensor. I thought that we got rid of that because we deleted some other things or I don't know, a friend of mine did something with the VCDS thing. Lambda still. I haven't told you about one problem I discovered. I wrote it at the community chat thing in YouTube. With this fuse box, the 109 and besides that the fuse or the relay is going very hot. So we got it open. It was a little bit bad, too much heat or not enough connection had done its thing, and so I ordered new one, and I ordered the new load reduction relay too. Changed it, still it went hot, but the whole fuse box is getting hot, but it starts with those two. The 109 is the ECO relay, and I changed it. The cold starts were perfect after that, no problem at all, no problem. So I got to drive it like 3 weeks, I guess, and then the cold starts started to go bad again. And so I think the overheat got to it again, and it burns through the relay. So that's that. But that's a different problem I'm having right now. Right now, I'm continuing the last night problem. The engine goes hot. The coolant temp, It's a little bit over what I would like to have. It's a bit higher from naturally, it's higher, it's normal, but this is a bit getting too much, and the temp is also getting hot. Okay, and I can hear the fan is working today. Last night it didn't do a sound. Okay, so the fan is now quiet and I can talk. I am suspicious of one thing. As you can see, it's wet in here, and it seems to me like it's going. What is the sound? So as I was saying, I am suspicious of this one coolant thingy over here. The sealant or some kind of connection seems to be bad and it's leaking coolant. So the air might get in, and maybe the air in this air is in the system, and that's why it's not cooling the engine. The engine is overheating. Could it be? I mean, the coolant is everywhere. There. All of this is wet. This is wet. Shut up. Firstly I thought this was the problem because it's a bad connection. I tried to get it stuck, but it won't stay. But this is not the problem. So it's wet everywhere. I think this line is the problem. Okay, so this year I got this thing, washer fluid tank. I suppose I have to get the coolant tank also, but I don't want to do it now because I'm gonna redo the whole car in the winter. Yes, I've said it, I'm gonna do it. Oh. I accidentally recorded this. Okay, so this might be a problem too. This is broken. Okay, so this is definitely a problem, a big one, because I can't try without it. This is a problem, a big one, I can't try without it, I said. So, a false alarm right here. I ordered a new one. It was just 12 euros, so I'm sad over the 30 minutes I lost yesterday trying to figure out what to do. So, if you're ever in that situation, then it doesn't cost much, easy to fix. Just 2 screws under the plastic thing. One connection, this one, and under there is one hose, and the only thing I have to figure out now is how to get air out of the system. So if you have something on that to give me some advice, then let me know in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching. I'm still driving with the Corrado. There's a month or 2 left in this season, and stay cool. Bye. Stay cool, pun intended.